Are you tired of paying massive monthly fees for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, and a dozen other AI tools? What if you could cancel all of those subscriptions today and replace them with just one single dashboard for a low one-time payment? Welcome to App Verdict. Today, we're looking at AI Titan. Make sure you watch this entire video before you buy because I'm going to show you exactly what is inside, what the hidden limits are, and how you can claim my massive custom bonus bundle if you decide to pick it up through the link in the description. Here's my honest take right up front. AI Titan is a massive money saver for beginners and affiliate marketers. If you are struggling to pay $200 or $300 a month for different AI softwares, this solves your problem instantly. It wraps 25 premium AI tools into one simple dashboard. However, you need to know that the front-end version has a credit limit. If you plan to use this for serious daily content creation, you will absolutely need the first upgrade to remove those limits. I will explain exactly how that works in a minute. So what exactly is AI Titan? Simply put, it is a cloud-based command center that replaces your expensive AI subscriptions. Instead of logging into different websites to write an article, design a thumbnail, generate a voiceover, and code a script, you do it all inside AI Titan. It is designed for affiliate marketers, agency owners, and content creators who want to save thousands of dollars a year. You do not need any technical skills, and you do not need to connect any complicated API keys. You just log in, click the tool you want to use, and let the AI do the heavy lifting.
Smart ideas don't need noise. They just need clarity and courage.
We believe in empowering sustainable growth. With strategic insights and tailored solutions,
Attention food lovers, your new favorite dish is finally here. Every bite is made with 100% organic ingredients.
Indulge in a culinary journey like no other at Taste Buds.
Hey, tech lovers! Have you checked out AI Titan yet? It's your ultimate AI-powered solution to boost productivity and make life easier.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with just type your script to get started.
Don't miss out. Explore AI Titan.
Welcome to AI Titan Voice Cloning. Instantly creates stunning, lifelike voices with the power of AI. Experience the future of audio, your imagination, our technology.
Hello everyone, I have a big question today. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my big red car. Vroom vroom.
Let's look inside the dashboard. Imagine I'm sharing my screen right now. When you log in, you are greeted with a very clean, easy-to-navigate interface. On the left side, you have your menu of 25 different AI tools. If you click on the AI Content Writer, you can instantly generate blog posts, sales pages, and email swipes. Moving down, you have the AI Video Creator. You can type in a script, and it will generate a faceless video with B-roll footage. It even has an AI voice cloning tool built right in, so you can generate human-sounding voiceovers in over 100 languages. There's also a complete graphic suite that replaces Canva. You can generate 4K images, design logos, and remove backgrounds with one click. It's extremely fast. The best part is that you can manage all your projects in one place without constantly switching browser tabs and losing your focus.
Hey there. Quick question. What if you could unlock the power of 25+ premium AI tools and run your entire content, video, image, and website business from one super dashboard? No monthly fees, no tech skills, no limits. Welcome to AI Titan, the most powerful all-in-one AI platform ever built. That gives you the superpowers of an entire team at a one-time price. Right, like ChatGPT launch full-blown AI video podcasts and baby face shows, designed like Canva and Midjourney. Build sites like Wix and ClickFunnels. Create videos like Synthesia, InVideo, and Premiere Pro. Clone voices like 11 Labs replace freelancers, subscriptions, and software chaos. Yup, all of it in one platform with unlimited access to every feature. Because let's be honest, AI is no longer a nice to have. It's the fuel behind every successful brand, agency, and freelancer out there. But until now, you had two choices. Pay $500, $1,000 a month stacking 10+ tools, or sacrifice features, quality, and control. Not anymore. With AI Titan, you get it all. Use it for your brand or sell services to clients. Create unlimited videos, images, content, websites, podcasts, avatars, and more. Save $6,000+ a year instantly. No subscriptions, no upgrades, no BS. Keep 100% of the profits. This is your business. And it's stupid simple to use. Just pick what you want to create. A video, a podcast, an image, a blog, a site. Click once and let AI do the heavy lifting. Use it yourself or sell it to clients, agencies, or brands. We're talking AI-powered avatars, faceless videos, 3D art, sales pages, VSL scripts, email campaigns, scroll-stopping reels, YouTube shorts, product videos, AI voice avatars in 100+ languages, studio-quality AI podcasts and babyface show videos, drag-and-drop website builder with free hosting, 75+ AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, SEO, and marketing, cloud storage, project sharing, and client dashboards. And guess what? There's no basic plan here. This is the ultimate edition. Everything unlocked, everything unlimited. No caps, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. This is the version that saves you money, time, stress, and gives you superhero-level control over content, clients, and cash flow. Whether you want to, launch your own faceless podcast, sell reels and promo videos to influencers and brands, build websites and stores for clients, offer AI services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook, run a full-blown marketing agency, or just automate your side hustle with smart tools. AI Titan puts you in charge. It's the shortcut 99% of people wish they had. And you're looking at it right now. So go ahead, click the button below. Grab full access before we flip this to a high monthly fee. Because let's be real, you'll never pay for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, or InVideo again. You'll never need to hire expensive writers, editors, or designers. You'll never waste time managing 10+ platforms. You can even start your own podcast empire without Mike, Cam, or crew. And if you're still watching this, it means you already know this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come twice. But I have to warn you, the price is rising fast, and once this launch ends, you'll never see this deal again. There are no monthly and absolutely no hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access to AI Titan, the same tool replacing $6,000+ worth of AI subscriptions. And yes, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. No risk, no catch, just the most complete, powerful, money-saving AI system online today. This is your all-in-one business weapon. This is AI Titan, but that's not all. When you grab your copy today, bye. You'll also unlock exclusive launch bonuses worth $5,997. Absolutely free. These bonuses are limited to this special launch period. So once the timer hits 0, they vanish. So what are you waiting for? Step into the future of AI-powered business and automation, where 25+ powerful AI engines unite to write, design, speak, code, and sell for you. Click the button below to get instant access to AI Titan, your all-in-one business powerhouse for a crazy low one-time price. Act now. This offer disappears soon. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.
Now, let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front end of AI Titan costs about $17. This gives you access to the main dashboard and all 25 tools. But remember, this comes with a cap of 100,000 credits. If you want to use this software to its full potential, I highly recommend OTO 1, which is the unlimited edition for $57. This is the sweet spot. It removes all usage limits, giving you unlimited videos, unlimited images, and unlimited words. If you buy anything today, get the front end and OTO 1. OTO 2 is the Done For You package for $147. This gives you pre-built assets ready to sell. Skip this unless you are extremely short on time. OTO 3 is the Traffic Edition for $37. It helps syndicate your content to social media. It's okay, but not strictly necessary. Finally, OTO 5 and 6 are the agency and reseller licenses. If you want to sell AI Titan accounts to other businesses and keep 100% of the profit, this is a great business in a box. If you click the first link in the description below and grab AI Titan today, I'm going to give you my exclusive App Verdict bonus bundle completely free. These bonuses are specifically chosen to help you get traffic and make money with the content you create inside AI Titan. Bonus 1 is the Client Extractor software. This tool automatically pulls contact data for local business owners from Google Maps so you can easily sell your new AI services. Bonus 2 is Tubelytics. Since AI Titan builds videos, this tool gives you the deep YouTube analytics and keyword tracking you need to actually rank those videos and get views. Bonus 3 is the Viral Suite platform. This premium plugin forces visitors to share your AI-generated articles and videos on social media to unlock the rest of your content, creating a viral loop of free traffic. Bonus 4 is the two-step opt-in generator. Build your email list incredibly fast with high-converting capture pages. Bonus 5 is WP Email Timer Plus. Add live scarcity countdown timers to your emails and review pages to instantly boost your affiliate sales. Bonus 6 is Article Analyzer. Make sure the blog posts you write with AI Titan are perfectly optimized with the right keyword density to rank on Google. Bonus 7 is Backlinks Warrior software. Automatically find high-quality backlink opportunities to push your AI websites to the top of the search results. Bonus 8 is Facebook Live Video Engager. Drive massive engagement on Facebook by running live video polls and reactions using the videos you made in AI Titan. Bonus 9 is Affiliate Sales Engine. Quickly generate high-converting banners and affiliate blocks for your WordPress sites. Finally, WP Video Focus. Keep your website visitors glued to the screen by making your AI review videos float on the screen as they scroll down your page. AI Titan is a massive shortcut. It saves you time, it saves you from tool fatigue, and most importantly, it saves you hundreds of dollars every single month. But you need to act fast. The low one-time price is only available during this special launch window, and the price will be increasing soon. Also, my custom 10-part bonus bundle is strictly limited. I'm only giving these bonuses to the first 50 people who buy through my link. Once those 50 spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed from the delivery page automatically. Don't wait and end up paying full price later. Click the link in the description below right now to secure your copy of AI Titan and lock in all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. After your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Thank you for watching this AI Titan review. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more no-fluff reviews of the best tools on the market. See you in the next one.